The U.S. Navy Harper's Ferry-class dock landing ship USS Pearl Harbor, LSD-52, and San Antonio-class amphibious transport dock ship USS Portland, LPD-27, along with U.S. Marines, welcomed aboard Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, JGSDF, Amphibious Rapid Deployment Brigade soldiers in support of Exercise Iron Fist 2020, February 3 through. More than 400 Marines attached to 15th Marine Expeditionary Unit, MU. 2nd Battalion, 1st Marines and Combat Logistics Battalion 15 embarked Pearl Harbor and Portland to exercise amphibious operational core competencies and demonstrate the enhanced air and amphibious capability of joint American-Japanese forces. For more than a decade, Iron Fist has helped us operate together in a maritime environment, said Rear Admiral John Gumbleton, Commander, Expeditionary Strike Group 3. The amphibious operations are vital to effective crisis response and support to regional maritime security. Exercise Iron Fist demonstrates more than 50 years of interoperability development and enhanced amphibious capability of U.S. and Japanese forces. Pearl Harbor provided both an air and amphibious platform for U.S. Marine Corps and JGSDF soldiers to train and conduct operations. I am surprised at how quickly we came together as a team, said CMDR Kevin T. Dean, commanding officer of Pearl Harbor. Both the USMC and the JGSDF operate AAVs the same way, but it is another thing altogether to operationalize a bilateral force quickly, despite a significant language barrier to achieve effective. This exercise reassured that we can deliver the rapid global expeditionary response capabilities expected of the U.S. Navy and Marine Corps team. Sailors and Marines kept both ships' flight decks active as CH-53E Super Stallion helicopters from the heavy haulers of Marine Heavy Helicopter Squadron, HMH 462 and the Warhorse of HMH 465 conducted deck landing qualifications aboard Portland. MV-22B Ospreys from the White Knights of Marine Medium Tilt Rotor Squadron, VMM 165 conducted a simulated air assault exercise from the flight deck aboard Pearl Harbor and Portland. These rotary wing assets can put Marines on the ground at a specific location for an assault, help support them, and then extract them once a mission is accomplished. The successful evolution of the air assault reinforced the skills necessary for air and ground combat elements to establish a force on a hostile shore, if needed. I couldn't be prouder of how our sailors and Marines have performed, said Portland's commanding officer Captain Kerry Sanders. Portland sailors have executed every event required of them at the highest level. This exercise has allowed the crew to demonstrate their X-11 assault amphibious vehicles, AAVs, transited to Portland from Marine Corps Base Camp Pendleton, California, February 5. Portland sailors and Marines with 3rd Assault Amphibian Battalion, 1st Marine Division, collaborated efforts to recover the AAVs safely and efficiently. The AAVs disembarked Portland en route to San Clemente Island, California, for a simulated shore landing and returned back to the ship for another successful recovery, February 6. The battalion later conducted a ground assault, leaving Portland February 12, en route back to Camp Pendleton. Throughout the exercise, sailors, Marines and Japanese soldiers came together to successfully launch multiple amphibious assault vehicle operations, conducted more than 20 flight deck landings, and welcomed aboard Pearl Harbor Lieutenant General Joseph Osterman, Commanding General, I Marine Expeditionary Force, Major General Takanori Hirata, Commanding General, Amphibious Raid Development Brigade, Rear Admiral John Gumbleton, Commander, Expeditionary Strike Group 3, Captain John Barnett, Commodore of Amphibious Squadron 1, Akira Muto, Japanese Consul General of Los Angeles, and Issei Kosuka, Japanese Vice Consul. Over the course of the last few weeks, I know that our Marines, sailors and Japanese soldiers have pushed themselves in the field, sharpening their technical and tactical proficiency, Osterman said. Training alongside each other on USS Pearl Harbor and USS Portland, the beaches of Camp Pendleton and on San Clemente Island reflects the amphibious nature that is the heart and soul of the Marine Corps and the Amphibious Rapid Deployment Brigade. It's the bond between the Japanese soldiers, Marines and sailors molded in shared experience, training